Hello, everyone. Hope all is well. We're looking forward to the weekend. We're almost there. A couple more things standing between us and that. All right, so we're going to be looking at today's assignment. It's called Indigenous Americans and Globalization. Today's another puzzle. Come back to that in a moment. Housekeeping. Remember, Friday's the last day for late works and redos. Schoology is open again today, as it will be tomorrow. Alright, so it's in a puzzle. Click on it, watch the video from the World History Project, and answer the questions. Here's a preview of the questions that you'll be looking at today. Question 1. What are two misconceptions or misunderstandings about globalization that this video addresses? So you can bullet it. Boom, boom. 2. What are some examples of indigenous Americans' contribution to globalization? Now note that in the video they do go back a couple hundred years to make some of these points, but be aware. So some we're looking for like 2 to 3. 3. Who is Paul Kufi Jr. and was globalization good for him? So tell us who he is and whether or not globalization was good for him. Explain. All right, 4. What sort of things do neoliberal policies promote? So that term neoliberal, they don't really define it, but this is what it is. It means a new liberal. So remember, liberal in the classic sense is that 19th century version, which would be different than what we think about a liberal in American politics today. So 19th century liberal is not the same thing as a liberal today, hence the term a neo-liberal or new liberal. 5. What is the Dakota Access Pipeline and what does it tell us about the impacts of globalization on indigenous communities, so natives? And the last question, 6. What do historical examples of people resisting the changes connected to globalization share in common with the Dakota Access Pipeline protest? So we're comparing historical examples of people resisting globalization to the protest against the pipeline, and you're looking for what is common between those two groups of people. As always, if you have any questions, please email. Otherwise, I hope all is well. Take care for now.